How to fix iPhone overheating issues. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on background app refresh. Now tap on background app refresh again and then set it to off, or you can also set it to Wi-Fi only for the time being. Also make sure to close all the heavy apps running in the background from the app switcher by simply swiping up and exiting the app. This will reduce heat instantly. The next fix is lower your screen brightness. So go ahead and scroll down from the top right of your screen and you will be led to your control center. Here, firstly lower the screen brightness as high brightness increases temperature fast. You can also go ahead and turn off Bluetooth if it is not in use for the time being, and also disable AirDrop and personal hotspot if it is not in use. Also, make sure that using your iPhone while charging, especially gaming or watching videos, overheats the battery. So, make sure to let your phone charge alone and make sure to use original Apple charger and original Apple cable. Also, you can try to remove the phone case while charging as it will help in airflow. The next fix is go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone reboots your iPhone and gives a fresh start. Also, launch the settings application again and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update, as iOS updates often fix overheating bugs. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone overheating issues. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.